Today's workout is an upper body workout, sort of a push-pull workout. We'll do 6 exercises, 3 sets, each with a little different twist to each exercise. We'll use the suspension trainer by TRX. You're going to start with the suspension trainer at mid-length and beginning with a forward lunge, reaching the arms. So you're going to stand facing away from the anchor point. Your arms are going to be shoulder height, and we're going to be lunging, reaching up with the arms. Lunge and back. So as you step forward here, your arms are going to reach overhead. Think about pressing down through those arms. Shoulders are away from the ears. So you're activating the core. You can start with a smaller stepping lunge and then move larger and larger. Start to open your arms into a Y formation now, just reaching up a little bit more. So we're warming up through the shoulders, through the core, the front core, opening up through the hip of the back leg as you lunge forward, just gently and gradually increasing your internal body temperature, temperature of your muscles, getting those joints lubricated. Now we're going to open the arms to a T, to the side. Step and open. You're always coming back shoulder height, shoulders are away from the ears, tall spine. Posture, something you're going to focus on all the time. Step and back. Nice. Let's do 4 more of these. And 3. And 2. One more time. We're going to turn around now. So stand facing the anchor point, still at mid-length. Palms to the floor. Walk your feet out so you're leaning back. Squat down, come up, do a high elbow row. So you're dropping your tailbone towards your heel. Every time you extend up, pull those elbows up and out to the sides. Make sure your wrists stay straight. Now let's do it all one motion. Squat, high elbow row. So really picking up that total body integration. Heart rate starts to elevate here. Squeezing your shoulder blades. Every time you draw back with those arms. 4 more. Last 3. 2. And 1. Good stuff. Turn around now. We're going to take the suspension trainer long. So push down to the cam buckle. Lengthen all the way. Stand facing away from the anchor point. We'll be doing the chest fly. So palms in. You're going to be on the balls of your feet. Feet wide. Open. 2. 1. Now the further I walk back with my feet, the harder it's going to be. So you choose your body angle. Your body angle and your body weight will determine the intensity of this particular exercise. So slight bend in the elbow. The more you can lengthen out those arms, the better. Just open out to your own degree, holding the abs strong. Keep those shoulders down. One long line from your ankle, through the knee, through the hip, through the shoulder, and through the ear. Posture, let's pick up the tempo. Here we go. 8, and 7, and 6, and 5. Good. Bracing the core, squeeze the glutes, tighten up your quads, the front of your thigh, the whole body's turned on here. Last time, and turn around. Good. We're going to go to a W deltoid fly. So stand facing the anchor point. Take your arms up, elbows a little below shoulder height. Pull back with those arms in a W. You're going to release the arms, straighten them out, rotate up and back. So you're externally rotating at the shoulder here. Rotate up and back. Try to avoid lifting the shoulders towards your ears. The shoulders stay down, rotating up and back through the back of your shoulder. And notice the body stays in one straight line here. Okay? Squeeze the butt, tighten up the front of the leg. 4 more times. Release all the way. Rotate up and back. So working through the upper back and the back of the shoulder. This is a great posture exercise. Sets up our workout well. We're going to pick up the tempo with this. Here we go. For 8. So remember, if you want to make it easier, just back up. Move to a more shallow angle. If you want to make it harder, walk your feet towards the anchor point. Keep the wrists straight and strong. Last 2. And 1. Excellent. Turn around for chest press. Stand facing away from the anchor point. Your arms are shoulder height. Again, you'll choose a working angle that's appropriate for you, where you can maintain form. You're going to bend the elbows and then extend back up. And again, bend. So a couple things you want to avoid. Scraping is one of them. That strap, the main strap of the suspension trainer, should not touch your arms. Okay, so if it's scraping your arms, just lift your hands up a little bit so it's not scraping your arms. Then you want to avoid sagging through the midsection. So squeeze the butt, tighten up the core, maintain posture from head to toe. One long line. Let's pick up the tempo. Here we go. You're just dropping that chest down, bending the elbows to about 90 degrees. Exhale every time you press up. Stay right up on those tiptoes. 2 more. 1 more. Excellent. We're going to take the suspension trainer now to a mid-calf length. So just shorten each one up so that the foot cradles are around mid-calf. Then we're going to go to single handle mode, one above the other. You're going to go bottom through top, and then pull. Make sure you're using that lower handle. Right elbow pulled up and back. For a single arm row power pull, actually, we're going to reach back towards the floor. You're going to pull up and out with your elbow. So your right elbow's performing a high elbow row. Your right arm performing a high elbow row. Up and out. Nice. When you reach back, try to keep looking at this hand that's moving. Back towards the floor, pull the elbow up and out. Reach it back. Pull. Up and back. Nice. Working through the upper back, letting that whole body rotate. Keep watching the moving hand here. It's free. Pick up your tempo. 1, pull. 2, pull. 3, pull. 4 more times. 4. Remember, back up a bit if you want to make it easier at any time during this set. 1 more. Good. Switch. Other side. Left elbow pulled up and back, shoulder down. Reach behind the main strap. Slowly release back. Release. Watch the hand. Pull up and out with the elbow. The left elbow draws up and out, shoulder height. Reach. Rotate open and up. Reach. Rotate open and up. 4 more slow. Pull with that upper back. Move through the hips, move through the ankles. Your feet stay flat on the floor if you can. 2 more slow. 1 more slow. Let's pick up the tempo. Here we go. 1, pull. 2, pull. 3, pull. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Last power pull. Good job. You can go back to double handle mode now. So one tie. We're going to go into a push-up. So here we go. Hands are in the handles. Cross your right foot over into the left foot cradle. Turn in your right side. Put the top of your left foot in the left or the other foot cradle. Then you can turn right over. So hands are wider than shoulder width. You're going to come up into a plank. All right, we're going to pull the knees to the chest. As the knees shoot up, you're dropping a push-up. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So as those legs shoot out, 6. Hold the core strong. 8 more times. Here we go. 8, 7. Make sure you're not sagging through the midsection. 5, 4. As the legs shoot out. 3, 2, and 1. Come on up. Good stuff. 1 more exercise. You're going to take the suspension trainer short now. So all the way to the top. We're going to move on to the back row. Standing, facing the anchor point. The suspension trainer is short. The further you walk out, steeper angle is going to be harder. Let's go into a narrow row. So the elbows are close to the body. 1 long line. Ankle, knee, hip, shoulders and ears. Think of pulling the chest up towards the anchor point. And again, pull. Squeeze the shoulder blades right at the top. Pull. And release. And again, pull. And release. 1 more at this speed. We'll pick up the tempo for 8. Here it comes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Squeeze those shoulder blades together each time. Last 2. 1. Good. Walk yourself back. Now, let's go back to the beginning. That was 6 exercises. we'll start over. So you lengthen out the suspension trainer chest fly. Suspension trainer is going to be long. Stand facing away from the anchor point. Find a good angle for you. Open slow. You're going to open 3, 2, 1, and in. Palms face in. Slight bend in the elbow. And again, focus on posture. Okay, make sure you're not sagging through the midsection. Active and strong through the core. 3, 2, 1, and up. 3, 2, 1, and again. 3, 2, 1. One more slowly. 3, 2, 1. Good. Pick up the tempo for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 left. Exhale as those arms come towards one another. One more. Good. Turn around. W deltoid fly. Stand facing the anchor point. Again, elbows slightly below shoulder height. Rotate back. Find a good working angle here. You could be in an offset stance or not. We're going to extend the arms. Drop in the squat. Come up. Wide. W deltoid fly. Up. So the arms are extended as you squat down and you come up and integrate that